Hi, it's Logan from Sleepopolis.com, and I'm going to be doing a review on both the soft and firm versions of the new mattress from Allswell. This is a bed-in-a-box mattress. I've already taken it out of the box. Still have to decompress it, and this is the soft version. So let's get it set up on the bed frame. And that's it for setup. As with any compressed mattress, it's important to let it decompress for a while before you sleep on it. So just stay on the lookout for my upcoming review.